Hi everyone, I'm Ray and welcome to my kitchen. A friend of mine and I just got back from paddleboarding and we are wanting kind of something different but super hydrating. So we are going for a watermelon fresca, but we're making a healthy version because we're not going to add a lot of sugar to it. We might add a little bit of date syrup. We'll see how it tastes, but wanted to bring you along for the ride. This is just a super refreshing drink. It's very, very hydrating. You probably know watermelon is 90% water. It's got a lot of potassium. It's got some good vitamin K. So it's good for our skin and it's good for our cells and it's good for our body. And so let's not wait. Let's just dive in and make this drink. So I cubed 4 cups of watermelon. And so we're going to put that in our Vitamix here. And this is so easy. You're going to love how easy this is. Now, I'm also adding about 1/4 cup of lime juice, and I actually had that in my freezer, but I also have some fresh limes that we're going to use for a garnish. And then we're going to put in a cup of water. So let's pour that. It's cold water just because we're thirsty and we want something chilled. And then we're going to throw in some ice. So I'm just going to put half of a cup to start, and then we'll just see how it goes. So let's put the lid on, and then we're just going to blend it up. That's how simple it is. I love this drink, especially in summertime, but we're getting close to the end of the season. And so I want to make sure that we got our last fix. It's so delicious. And we're going to put a secret ingredient. So let me blend this up and we'll be right back. I think I'm going to go ahead and add the full cup of ice so it gets a little bit more frothy. Okay, all the ice is mixed in. Now we're going to add this secret ingredient. Now you could use fresh mint. I actually didn't have any fresh mint, so I'm going to use some mint oil. And this is a food grade, and I'm only going to put a few drops because it's very concentrated. We'll give it a quick blend. And that's it. We are going to serve this over some ice. We're going to garnish it with a lime. And this is going to be super hydrating. And it's got some magnesium. And we talked about the potassium, some vitamin K. Oh, it's going to be so delicious. And after paddleboarding, having something sweet and hydrating is going to be so delicious. So we're going to squeeze in one more lime. I'm going to throw it in. And then we'll garnish it with the lime. Look at how pretty that is. Let's have a taste. Wow. The mint is delicious in this. The watermelon it's not too sweet. You could add, if you wanted to, some date syrup at this point. Honestly, I don't think it needs it. If you want to, this is a good brand to add, and I had it ready just in case. But this is delicious just like this. I don't think it needs anything more sweet than the watermelon itself. Cheers, everyone.